Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can cut your salwar in very easy way from your regular fabric that you get from market. So step by step I will tell you the method. So first of all I'm going to cut two rectangular pieces for my salwar. So for that you need some measurement. So length of this rectangular pieces will be like whatever length you want for your salwar. Like I want 37-inch long salwar. I'll add 3-inch to it. It makes 40-inch, and then I will minus 8-inch from it. So it makes 32-inch. So you have to calculate this method according to your measurement. So I'm going to take 32-inch long fabric like this, and width will be like 15-inch. You can take 14 or 15-inch. Here I'm taking 15-inch and I'm marking this on my fabric. Now I will join all these points and I'll make a straight line. So here you can see I have my rectangular piece. Now I'm going to cut this out. Now I will cut one more rectangular piece of the same measurement. So I will place my rectangular piece on the fabric and I'll cut it out. So in this way I have my two rectangular pieces. From one side of my fabric I got my two rectangular pieces. Now I will cut this remaining fabric and this piece will be used for my belt. Now from this remaining fabric I'm going to cut 4 triangular pieces. So for that what you have to do is first you have to measure the length. So length will be like whatever the length of your rectangular piece was. Like mine was 32-inch. So you have to add 10 more inches to it. So it becomes 42. So I'm going to take 42-inch long fabric. So here you have to measure your measurement. So I'm going to mark 42-inch here like this. Now I'm going to mark 42-inch all over the fabric. So I'm going to take whole width of this fabric. Whatever width you have for your salwar piece, you can take whole fabric. Now join all these lines. And I'm going to cut this out. Here I have 42-inch long fabric. If I have to measure width of my fabric, it's 42. So yeah, length and width both are same. Now I'm going to fold it from the middle. And now I will start giving the marking from here. So from one side I'm going to mark the measurement of my rectangular piece, that was 32. And from this marking I'm making 1.5-inch long line ahead. Now from the another side again I'm going to mark 32-inch, but from this side I'm going to take it from the another opposite end. And again here I'm marking 1.5-inch of marking. And then measure the remaining part, it should be 10-inch. Now I'm going to join these 2 points like so. Now I'm going to cut this out. So first I will cut this 1.5-inch of line. Now this slanting line. And again from here this 1.5-inch of line. So here my triangular pieces are looking like this. Now I will cut this on full side from here also. In this way we have our 4 triangular pieces ready. So our rectangular piece is ready and our triangular pieces are also ready. Now I'm going to cut the belt. So for belt, you have to take fabric. Its width will be like whatever the measurement of your hips is, take half of it and then add 6 more inches to it. Like measurement of my hips is 40. So half of 40 is 20 and I'm adding 6 more inches to it. It makes 26. So width of this fabric is 26 and length will be 10 inches. And you have to take two pieces of the same measurement, and while giving the stitch we will attach it from the middle and then we will attach it to the salwar. In this way our measurement and cutting of salwar is done. I hope you liked this video, and if you liked it then please give this video a like and share it, comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.